Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature onto your photo edits on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the plus icon as well as the open button, which you can use in order to open up any image that you would like to edit. Once you open up your desired image that you would like to edit, you will now be able to use various different tools and styles to make your edit. Now, if you wish to add your signature, then first of all, you will need to take a picture or a photo of your signature on a blank piece of paper. Once you have this photograph, just tap on the Tools option and then scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. From here, you can tap on Open Image in order to open up the image of your signature. Once you open it up, you can pinch and zoom in or zoom out in order to scale your signature. And you can also drag and place it wherever you wish. Now adjust the opacity by tapping on the opacity option and move it slightly to the left so that it is almost invisible. You can then tap on the tick mark and now tap on the Edit Stack button. From here, go into View Edits and then tap on Double Exposure. Now tap on the middle option to fine-tune your signature. Tap on the invert option and now you will see that the whole image will now be covered in red. You can double tap to zoom in and now use the available brush to cut out the area apart from your signature. Once you have highlighted and removed every other part except from your signature with the red highlight, just tap on the tick mark and now your signature has been added to your image. You can now tap on the export button. If the transparency is not just quite right, you can tap on Double Exposure once again and then tap on Settings. Now you can go back to the opacity level and then choose the maximum opacity. And now your signature will appear within your image in just the right way. You can now export your image using the export button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a signature onto your image within Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.